Hello, I am Knight of Christ Jesus here. My knowledge and your IQ isn't sufficient. We need the Almighty Heavenly Father's grace, which is our crowning glory. So let us begin this session with a prayer. Through His Son, Jesus Christ. Lord Jesus Christ, bless and bestow upon us your grace. Let this learning process be helped and guided by the Holy Spirit. The knowledge acquired here be used for peace and prosperity of human race. Let this human race be the pride of Christ Jesus. Lord, thy kingdom come. The geometrical meaning of dy by dx is something we need to understand. It is nothing but the slope. We'll try to derive that and see what it means. Consider a graph x and y axis. This is the x axis and this is the y axis. Now there is a curve like this. Let its equation be f of x. On this curve, let point P be x, comma, y. And to this, what it means is, if you drop a perpendicular over here, then this distance is going to be x and this distance is going to be y. That's what it means. P of x comma y means the distance from the origin 0 comma 0 to this point, say n, it is nothing but x-axis along y. Along x units along x-axis and y unit along y-axis. Now consider another point Q. Its coordinate be x plus delta x comma y plus delta y. What it means is, if you drop a perpendicular over here to n, the small distance is delta x. This distance from m to n is delta m. Similarly, when you drop a perpendicular here, r, then this distance is y, so this distance will be delta y. So if you join these two lines and produce them, that is from Q to P, draw this line to this, consider this one to be phi1. That is the angle made between the x-axis and this secant, because it is cutting the curve in two distinct points P and Q. So that is nothing but secant. So it is making an angle phi on the x-axis. Now, let there be a tangent at P. So that is a straight line like this, cutting the x-axis and making an angle phi2. Then this be capital S, this point. Then this will be delta y. This is called the delta x. So if you drop it from here, so almost the delta x. And this is delta y. So if Q tends to P, in the sense, if you make this line tangent, which is like this, if it moves towards this line, then the secant is becoming tangent. So if Q tends to P, then the secant PQ tends to tangent PS, and Phi1 will tend to Phi2. Means if this angle inclination will change from Phi1 to Phi2. So the inclination is nothing but the tan of the theta. So tan Phi1, it will become tan Phi2. This is nothing but slope. Slope is nothing but, it is the degree of inclination of a given line with respect to x-axis. If this is an x-axis, then this is the tangent, then theta will be equal to, this will be, theta is nothing but angle of inclination, then the slope is given by tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but slope. So we can write this one as slope equal to limit of delta y divided by delta x as q tends to p equals dy by dx. So therefore slope equal to dy by dx. So whenever you differentiate a given curve, you actually get the slope of that curve, of the tangent at that point. So differentiation of a curve gives you the slope of the tangent at that point. So that is the geometrical meaning of dy by dx. Thank you. We'll see the criteria of the slope, that is the tan phi or tan theta or tan of the thing. So if you have tan 0 degree, this means tan theta equal to 0 degree, let's assume, or tan phi is equal to 0 degree. So it means that the tangent is parallel to x-axis. So it will be something like, if you have this, the curve is like this, and you have a tangent which is very much passing through like this. Then the slope is 0 degree, because the slope is nothing but a line cutting this angle. This angle, if it coincides, that is, if it merges with this, it becomes almost on the x-axis itself, then it will be 0 degree. Or if it is parallel to this x-axis, then it will be 0 degree, the angle made by it. So in this case, it is the tangent, this is the tangent, this is x-axis. So tangent is parallel to x-axis. Whenever you differentiate and you get dy by dx equal to 0, then it means the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. If you take, say for instance, another case where the tan phi is nothing but tan 90 degrees. Tan 90 degrees is nothing but infinity. So in this case, if you have a curve and the tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, this is the tangent and this is x-axis, then the tangent perpendicular x-axis, in the sense it will become tan 90 degree, that is infinity. So therefore, if dy by dx equal to infinity, that means 1 by 0. If it is 1 by 0, that is nothing but infinity, that is nothing but dy by dx. Then the tangent is perpendicular to the thing. Then tangent is perpendicular to x-axis. These are the two cases which you will be using for perpendicular and parallel. So slope, if it is, say for example, m1 is one slope and m2 is another slope, if the slopes are equal, then the lines are parallel. That's the first condition. The slopes are equal, lines will be parallel. If the product of slopes, that is m1 and m2, be the slopes of two straight lines, slopes of two straight lines, when you take the product and if it is equal to -1, then they are perpendicular. So these things we'll be using and trying to solve some numericals. So today we'll see what's normal and what does dy by dx mean with respect to normal. So if you have the curve and the tangent, then if you take a line perpendicular to the tangent, if this is the tangent, PT is the tangent, then PM is normal. PM is normal. So now if you take the slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx. Then slope of normal will be equal to -1 whole divided by dy by dx. So this will be the slope of normal. Because in the earlier case we saw, if m1 into m2 equals -1, then the two lines are mutually perpendicular to each other. That is the product of their slope, m1 and m2 being the slope of tangent and the normal. Tangent and normal are mutually perpendicular to each other. If the m1 is the slope of tangent and m2 is the slope of normal, then if the slope of tangent is given, you can find the slope of normal. That is, in this case it will be m2 is equal to -1 whole divided by m1. So that is the concept we are applying here. If the slope of tangent is dy by dx, then the slope of normal will be minus 1 divided by dy by dx. That is based on this product. If two lines are mutually perpendicular to each other, that is tangent into slope of tangent into slope of normal is minus 1. Then the slope of tangent given, we can find the slope of normal. That is m2 equals to minus 1 divided by m1. So we have also the equation of straight line with respect to a slope and a point. In this case, x1 comma y1. P is xm, x1, xy, say for example, P is x1 comma y1 and the slope of tangent is m1. Then you can use this and you can find the equation of the straight line based on point slope form. So the point slope form equation will be, that is nothing but the equation of a straight line when if a tangent at the point is given. That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This will be the equation of tangent. So if you want to find equation of normal, then it will become y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 divided by the reciprocal, negative of the reciprocal of the slope of tangent is nothing but the slope of normal into x minus x1. So this is what you will be getting. Thank you. So today we'll take some examples and work with respect to slopes of tangents, normal, equation of tangent and normal and various other cases. Okay, one of you call out a question.
The first question, find the slopes of the tangent and the normal to the curve.
Slopes of tangent and slopes of normal. So this is what you're going to find. Okay.
To the curve y equal to 3x power 4.
Y equals 3x to the power 4
minus 4x at x equal to 4.
At x equal to 4. So this is the equation of the curve. That is y equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x at x equal to 4. So what you do is you directly differentiate to get the slope of tangent with respect to x. So you'll be getting d by dx of y equals 3 into d by dx of 4 minus 4 into d by dx of x. So when you do this, you'll be getting dy by dx is equal to 3 into 4 into x to the power 3 minus 4 into 1, because d by dx of x is 1. But they have given at x equals 4. So therefore we rewrite this one as the slope. dy by dx is nothing but the slope of the tangent to the curve. So you write it like this. At the subscript you take x equal to 4. So this will be equal to 12 into x is nothing but 4. So 4 whole cube minus 4. So you'll be getting 12 into 4 cube is nothing but 64 minus 4. So this will be equal to, how much will this be? 12 into 64. This will be 786 minus 4. So therefore this will be equal to 764. So that will be the slope of tangent. So slope of tangent, that is n1, and slope of tangent is nothing but 764. And the slope of normal will be equal to minus 1 divided by 764, because the slope of normal is the negative reciprocal of the slope of tangent. So we have found the slopes of tangent and normal. So let's solve example 2. One of you call out the question.
Find the equation of the tangent and the normal.
Equation of tangent equal to question mark. Equation of normal equal to question mark.
At the curve root of x plus root of y.
So the given curve, equation of the curve is root over x plus root over y
equal to 5
equals 5
at 9, 4.
At 9, 4. So what you do here is, you have, it's again an implicit function. So differentiate this implicit function, d by dx of root x plus d by dx of root y equals d by dx of 5. So in this case you will be getting, we know that it's a standard form. So root over, the differentiation of root over x is nothing but 1 by 2 root x into dx by dx, which is 1, so you can literally leave it as 1 by 2 root x. Plus, in this case, since we are differentiating with respect to x, it will become 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx equals 0. Differentiation of constant is 0. Now when you take this one, you will be having, you can take this one as 1 by 2 root over x plus 1 by 2 root over y into dy by dx equal to 0. So you're transposing, you get 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 2 root over x. So therefore you will be getting dy by dx is equal to minus 2 root over y divided by 2 root over x. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So therefore you will be having, they have said at 9, 4. So if you substitute, you will get root over 4 divided by root over 9, because this is x and this is y. X is 9, y is 4, and minus sign is there. So therefore it will become minus 2 by 3 will be the slope of the tangent. So therefore slope equals dy by dx equals minus 2 by 3. So that is the slope. Now we are going to use the slope and find the equation of tangent. So equation of tangent is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where x1 and y1 is a given point, that is, this is x1 and this is y1, and m is the slope which you have already found out here. So substituting this, you get y minus y1 is nothing but 4 equals, the slope is minus 2 by 3 into x minus x1 is nothing but 9. So therefore, cross multiplying this, you get 3y minus 12 is equal to minus 2x plus 18. So transposing minus x that side, you will be getting 2x minus 3y minus 12 minus 18 equals 0. And then you will be getting 2x minus 3y minus 30 equals 0. That will be the equation of tangent. Then similarly, equation of normal, it will be y minus y1 equals m into, this m slope is nothing but minus 1 by n, reciprocal of, negative of the reciprocal of the slope, into x minus x1 you get. So therefore you will have 1 in minus, y1 is nothing but 4 equals 1 by, it is, m is nothing but minus 2 by 3. So therefore you will get minus 2 by 3, I will take it on the top, so it will be into 3. So this minus and minus goes, it will become 3 by 2 overall. And x minus x1 is nothing but 9. So therefore you will be getting the equation y, this 2 goes this side, so it will become 2y minus 8 equal to 3x minus 27. So it's x, shifting everything that side, you get 3x minus 2y minus 27 plus 8 equal to 0. So therefore you will get 3x minus 2y, this will be equal to minus 19 equal to 0. That will be the equation of normal. Let's solve example 3. One of you call out the question.
Find the equation of the tangent parallel to the line.
Equation of tangent and equation of normal, is it?
Yes, sir.
Equation of normal. Okay.
At the curve y equal to 6 minus x square.
Curve is y equal to 6 minus x square.
That is parallel to the line.
Okay. This
4x.
is parallel to the line
4x
4x
plus y plus 3 equal to 0.
equals 0. Okay, fine. So they are given an equation of curve and also they are given an equation of line. So you have to find an equation of a tangent. So if you have a curve, this curve is f of x, that is this one, and there is a tangent to this that is parallel to another line, and its equation is 4x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. So you have to find the equation of this line and a normal to that line at the same point. That is, normal is this, tangent is this. You have to find the equation of this and the equation of this. So how do we do that? So we take this equation of the curve, diff equation of curve with respect to x. So you'll be getting d by dx of y equals d by dx of 6 minus d by dx of x square. So you'll be getting dy by dx equal to 0 minus 2x. So therefore, in other words, you get dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. This is one equation. Then you have equation of line. That is nothing but 4x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Rearrange this equation in the standard form. The standard form is nothing but y equal to mx plus c. So if you rearrange this, you will get y equal to minus 4 into x minus 3. That is what you will be getting when you transpose it the other side. So comparing these two, we come to know slope m is equal to minus 4. So if you take this slope 1 and this you take it as slope 2, m2, this is equation 2. So you will be getting m1 equal to m2 or m2 equal to m1, one and the same. So m2 equal to m1 because the slopes of parallel lines are equal. So slope of tangent and slope of the given line, they are equal. So connecting this is m2, that is minus 2x equal to minus 4. This minus and minus gets cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So you got the value of x. So now using this x, substitute in the equation of the curve because this point lies on the given curve. The curve is y equal to 6 minus x square. So if you substitute this value here, you get y equal to 6 minus 2 square. That is nothing but 6 minus 4, that is nothing but 2. So therefore the coordinate of x comma y is nothing but 2 comma 2 because x is 2, y is also 2. So we will find the equation of the tangent at this point. So equation of tangent at 2 comma 2. So the equation is nothing but y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So you will be getting y minus y1 is nothing but 2 equals slope is nothing but, what is the slope? The given slope is nothing but same, minus 4. So you put this minus 4 as a slope into x minus x1. This is x1, this is y1, given points. So we got this equation y minus 2 equals minus 4x plus 8. Transposing the other side, we get 4x plus y. Shifting it that way, you will get minus 10 equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Then the equation of normal. Equation of normal at 2 comma 2. It is going to be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So therefore you will get y minus y1 is nothing but 2. Slope is nothing but minus 1 divided by minus 4 because the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent. So this minus and minus gets cancelled, x into 2. So cross multiply you get 4y minus 8 equals x minus 2. Transposing everything this side you get x minus 4y. When this comes here it will come plus 8 minus 2, it will become plus 6 equal to 0. This will be the equation of normal. example 4, one of you call out the question.
Show that the tangent at minus 1 comma 4.
Show that the tangent at
Minus 1 comma 4
minus 1 comma 4
on the curve y equal to 5x square.
Curve is y equal to
5x square minus 3x plus 7
square minus
x
3x
plus 7
plus 7
is perpendicular to the line
okay, perpendicular to line
x minus 13y minus 5
x minus 13y
minus 5
minus 5
equal to 0.
equals 0. Okay, so what is that asking? That's asking you show that the tangent at this is perpendicular. And have they asked any equation of tangent or normal?
Yes sir, they've asked also find the normal.
Okay, so also normal. So what we have to do is, they are given the line and the curve. So when you differentiate the equation of curve, that is y equals to 5x square minus 3x plus 7, when you differentiate this with respect to x, you will be getting dy by dx is equal to 5 into d by dx of x square minus 3 into d by dx of x plus d by dx of 7. So therefore you will be getting dy by dx is equal to 5 into 2x minus 3 into 1 plus 0. So this is nothing but dy by dx is equal to 10x minus 3. This is equation 1. This is the slope of tangent. This is slope of tangent. Now if the line is given, the line is x minus 13y minus 5 equal to 0. So convert this in the standard form. This is minus 13y, so send it that side. You will be getting x minus 5 is equal to 13y. Send the 13 to the denominator, you will be getting x. This will become 1 by 13 minus 5 by 13 equals y. So this is the standard form. That is y equal to mx plus c. So m is the slope of this line. So slope of this line is this m. So that is 1 by 13. That is the equation 2. Slope is m by 13. But slope of tangent, we know the value of x also. So therefore the slope dy by dx at minus 1 comma 4 is the equation given. So substitute, this is nothing but x, this is y, substitute the value, that is 2 into x value is minus 1, minus 3. So therefore this will be equal to minus 10 minus 3, which is nothing but minus 13. This is actually the equation 1. That is the slope of the tangent is minus 13. We are supposed to prove that they are perpendicular. If they have to be perpendicular, then the product of slope of the tangent into slope of the given line. If it is equal to minus 1, then they are mutually perpendicular to each other. So m1 is nothing but minus 13 and m2 is 1 by 13. So 1 by 13, 13 and 13 goes, therefore this results in minus 1. So therefore m1, the tangent is perpendicular to given line. So this is what you are supposed to prove. You proved it. Now to find the equation of normal, you have to do, that is equation of normal. All that you have to do is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 divided by m into x minus x1. So here you will get y minus, the point at which you have to find is nothing but minus 1 comma 4. So therefore it will be y1 will be equal to 4, x1 will be equal to minus 1. So therefore this will be equal to 4 equal to minus 1 divided by slope of the tangent is minus 13. So it will become minus 13 in the denominator. So into x minus of minus it will become plus 1. So my x1 is nothing but minus 1. So this will be minus 13y plus 52, because minus into minus is plus and 4 into 13 is 52, equals minus x minus 1. shift it to the other side, you'll be getting x minus 13y. This goes that side, it will become plus, therefore it will become 53 equal to 0. This will be the equation of normal. So let's do example 5. Call out, one of you.
The line y equal to 4x minus 5
Line 4x minus 5
is a tangent to the curve.
Just a minute. Line equal to 4x minus 5
Is a tangent to the curve.
4x minus tangent is tangent to curve
Y square equal to ax cube
y square equal to ax cube
plus b
plus b
at the point 2, 3.
at point 2, 3.
Find a and b.
Find a and b. So a equals to question mark, b equals question mark. So they are given the equation of the tangent and they have given line. What have they given? 4x minus 5 is the equation, that's all. Y equal to 4 minus 5. Is it y equal to 4x minus 5, isn't it? So therefore, we take this equation y equal to 4x minus 5. So this is same as y equal to mx plus c. So therefore, comparing this you get m is equal to 4, m1 is equal to 4. Slope of the tangent is 4. So take the equation of the curve, that is nothing but, and differentiate, you'll get d by dx of y square equals a into d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of b. So when you take this, you will get 2y into dy by dx equal to a into 3x square plus 0, because b is constant, differentiation of constant is 0. So therefore you will be getting over here dy by dx equal to a into 3x square divided by 2y. We know that this is nothing but equation of the slope. Then they are given the coordinates 2, 3. Therefore you can find slope of the tangent at the curve at 2, 3 equals a into 3 x square is nothing but 2 square divided by 2 into y is nothing but 3. So this 1 2 and 1 2 goes, the 3 and 3 goes. Therefore this will become 2a. That is the second slope, m2. That is the slope with respect to the curve of the tangent itself. So slopes of the tangents are equal, they are same. So therefore m1 is equal to m2. So m1 is nothing but 4. 4 equal to 2a. So therefore a equals 2. So you found this value. Now since this point lies on the curve itself, that is the curve, given curve is y square is equal to ax cube plus b. So since the point p 2, 3 lie on the same curve, if you substitute it should satisfy that. So therefore y is nothing but this is x and this is y. So it will become 3 square equals a. A's value is nothing but 2, which we have found out here, into x is nothing but 2 whole cube plus b. So you'll be getting 9 equals, this is going to be 8 into 2, that is 16 plus b. So therefore you'll be getting, transposing that side, minus 16 plus 9 is equal to b, or b equals minus 7. So the value of a is 2 and b is minus 7. So therefore we found the solution for it. Okay, let's do example 6. That will be the final one for the session. So call out a real good problem for today.
Find the equation of all the lines having slope equal to 2.
Equation of all lines having slope
equal to 2.
Okay. The equation of curve is what?
Y equal to 2 by x
Y plus 2 by x minus 3
equal to 0.
0. Okay. So you can, then what next? That's it?
Yes, sir.
So take y plus 2 by x minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore y will be equal to minus 2 by x minus 3. So now this equation you differentiate with respect to x. So you'll be getting dy by dx is equal to minus 2 you take common, then d by dx of x minus 3 all to the power minus 1. Take it this way. Don't take it as a quotient rule, because in the numerator you have a constant, denominator you have a variable, though it is a fraction. So take the constant out and convert this according to law of indices, 1 by a to the power n equal to a to the power minus n format. So once you do this, you will get x minus 3 all to the power minus 1. So now when you do this, you will get dy by dx equal to minus 2. Differentiating this, you will get minus 1 into x minus 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1. That is n into x to the power n minus 1. Into chain rule, d by dx of x minus 3. So therefore you will be getting dy by dx is equal to minus 2 into minus into minus it will become plus x to the power x minus 3 whole to the power minus 2 into 1 minus 0. So therefore this will result in 2 divided by x minus 3 whole square. So this will be dy by dx, or the slope, required slope. The given slope is 2. They said the slope of those lines are 2. So that is m2. So equating this m1, which they have given as m1, and this as m2. So you get 2 equals 2 divided by x minus 3 whole square. The 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Therefore you will get x minus 3 whole square equals 1. So x minus 3 equal to plus or minus root over 1. That is nothing but x minus 3 is plus or minus 1. So therefore you will get x is equal to 3 plus or minus 1. So you will be getting x is equal to 3 plus 1, that is x is equal to 4. This x1 you keep it as 4. then x equal to 3 minus 1. Keep this one as x2. The x2 is 3 minus 1 is 2. So when you substitute this equation in the given line, that is y equal to minus 2 by x minus 3, because this point lies on this curve itself. So this, when you substitute x equal to 4, you will be getting y is equal to minus 2 divided by 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So therefore you will be getting y equal to minus 2. The other one, when you substitute x is equal to 2, you will be getting y equal to minus 2 divided by 2 minus 3. So therefore you will be getting y equal to minus 2 by minus 1, that y equal to 2. So you have two cases. So the coordinates will be, this is y1, this will be y2. So x1 comma y1 is going to be 4 comma minus 2, and x2 comma y2 is going to be 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. So the equation of all the lines what you are talking, you will be getting two equations. That is, one with this, one with this. And the slope is given as 2. So you will get y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So the first equation will be equal to y minus y1 is nothing but minus 2. So it will become plus 2. Equals slope given is 2. And this will become x minus x1 is nothing but 4. So therefore this will become y plus 2 equal to 2x minus 8. So therefore transposing this the other side, you will get 2x minus y, if you go minus 10 equal to 0. So this is one equation. The second equation will be, again applying this formula, y minus y1. y1 here in this case is the second value, that is 2. So it will become minus 2 equals m is 2, slope is 2, into x minus, and second value of x is 2. So it is 2. So this will be y minus 2 equals 2x minus 4. So y minus 2 equal to 2x minus 4, or transposing this the other side, you get 2x minus y equals, this goes the other side, it will become plus, so it will become minus 2 equal to 0. This is the second equation. Thank you.
My heartfelt gratitude for this video viewers. May God bless you all.